On today's video, I'm going to tell you all about the cocktail, the Dark and Stormy. Hey everyone, welcome back once again to The Blind Pig. As always, I'm your host, Jason. It's rare that a cocktail featuring an ingredient as common as rum can only be made with one specific brand of rum, but that's the case for today's drink, the Dark and Stormy. The brand Goslings successfully registered a trademark in 1991, dictating that any drink titled Dark and Stormy must be made with only Goslings Black Seal rum. The company has actually sued other beverage brands that have attempted to market the drink using other kinds of rum. Not wanting to get sued here on The Blind Pig, we're going to be using the correct Goslings Black Seal rum. The recipe calls for using ginger beer over ginger ale, but here's where we're going to take a little bit of liberty. A good buddy of mine actually made some fresh brewed ginger ale. He used real fresh ginger ale and said it's extremely spicy. Should probably cater more towards a ginger beer than ginger ale, so we're going to go ahead and use that. Let's go ahead and give it a shot. Usually for this drink, you use a Collins glass. We have our fun Blind Pig pint glasses we got as a Christmas gift. We're gonna go ahead and use those. Already got one filled up with ice. We're gonna use 2 ounces of our Goslings Black Seal rum. That's right, Goslings, don't sue me, it's the right rum here. 2 ounces of that. Gonna use a ½ ounce of lime juice. Already got some squeeze ready to go. Then we're gonna top with either ginger beer, or in our case, as I mentioned, my buddy's ginger ale. It smells delicious. Even smells more like ginger beer, honestly. All right, we're gonna go ahead and give this a quick stir. Put our garnish on. And let's add a little Blind Pig twist to this. We got our other half of our lime. See if this works the way I planned. Of course. We use the magic of editing there. Go ahead and let the flames begin. Pop our straw in. Blow it out, of course, and cheers. Absolutely delicious drink. It's the first time I got to try my buddy's ginger ale. That's really good. Rob, thank you so much. Love this drink, guys. Really, go ahead and try this one out. If you can get your hands on fresh ginger ale, give it a shot. It works really well. I think you're gonna enjoy this drink. Guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe below, like the video. We'll see you soon. Cheers. Hey everyone, welcome back once again to The Blind Pig. As always, I'm your host, Jason. It's rare that a cocktail featuring an ingredient as common as rum can only be made with one specific brand of rum, but that's the case for today.